At Kobelco, we take our customers' requirements seriously and see it as our mission to supply improved and modified products that will give full satisfaction. We pursue an aggressive approach to product development in order to supply construction machines that excel as business partners for our customers, boosting their revenues and reducing their expenditures. The newly launched Acera Geospec SK208 is a 20-ton class hydraulic excavator we can promote with pride and confidence. Here we will focus on digging performance and productivity and compare it with the Volvo EC210B. Check it out to see just how well it shapes up. For an excavator to have earning power, its digging force is critical, so we'll start by comparing digging forces. The bucket digging force is 157 kilonewton, one of the highest figures in the class. Moreover, the arm crowding force is 112 kilonewton. It is 7% greater than that of the Volvo model. The digging force of bucket and arm has been combined, yielding the greatest possible digging performance. Evaluation of working performance is based on working speed, digging volumes, and fuel consumption. Let's see in the following test just how much more the new SK200-8 has to offer in terms of working speed and fuel consumption. The test involves 20 cycles of digging soil, swinging through 90 degrees, and dumping. The fuel gauge was reset at the start, and the time taken and fuel consumed were recorded. All other conditions, including the site, operator, and working load, were the same. The SK208 took 3 minutes and 26 seconds, and Volvo EC210B took 3 minutes and 51 seconds. From these results, we calculated working volumes per hour, and the data shows that the digging volume of the new SK208 is 12% more than the Volvo. Another very important point to consider is fuel consumption. Here are the levels of fuel consumption which we converted to fuel consumption per hour. Fuel consumption of the SK208 is 9.6% less than that of the Volvo. Next, let's look at overall productivity. Productivity was calculated from the test results, here indicating how many cubic meters the machines can dig with 1 liter of fuel. By installing a new hydraulic system and new engine, the productivity of the SK208 has been increased dramatically. Now we compare the working speeds of attachments. We have seen how the working performance of the SK208 has been improved. A key factor in this regard is a significant increase in working speed, which means the speed of the attachment. First, the working speed of the arm. The arm pull-in speed is about the same. The arm push-out speed is very high, 20% quicker than the Volvo model. Next, the working speed of the boom. The boom raising speed was increased considerably over that of the existing model, reaching the same level as that of the Volvo machine or greater. The boom lowering speed of Kobelco is the same as that of Volvo. Now the bucket working speed. Of all these items, only the bucket opening speed is slightly slower than in the Volvo. Pretty convincing, isn't it? The SK208 has been upgraded in various ways and also has a new hydraulic system as well as a new engine. As a result, its digging performance is tougher, faster, and more fuel efficient. This performance now surpasses that of the Volvo model, which has been considered highly fuel efficient in the industry. The engine is the heart of any hydraulic excavator, and the latest durable, fuel-efficient Kino common rail engine has been newly installed in the SK208. Its performance far surpasses conventional engines in terms of power, low fuel consumption, and durability. Furthermore, the new engine complies with Stage 3 emission standards. So, what do you think of it? Development of the SK208 targeted significant comprehensive upgrading in working performance, yielding a machine that can get the job done. And we didn't overlook emission standards to achieve that. We've again launched a machine that can give full satisfaction. Kobelco is confident in promoting the new SK208. Impressive, isn't it?